Hi there. This week's question is, why do Bluetooth devices have problems in crowded areas? My name is Steve, this is TQA Weekly, and you're going to learn a bit about what the issues are with Bluetooth signals and how it is affected by crowded areas. We're also going to talk about technology that we've had in the past, and I'm going to be asking you what we should be doing about this very issue. So let's start off with the first issue, which is Bluetooth. Bluetooth functions in the same ranges as portable phones, the cordless phones inside some of the houses that still have them. They function in the same range as microwaves. They function in the same range as most Wi-Fi, especially if you have smart home devices. And there are a lot of other gadgets populating that area. A lot of Bluetooth and a lot of Wi-Fi devices just buzzing around all the time. And while in your home, you may not experience too much of an issue unless you're using your microwave or a 2.4 gigahertz spectrum cordless phone or anything like that. In crowded areas, many people do. I mean, just walking near power lines or transformers is enough for it to skip. So the question is, what's happening? Well, the problem is electromagnetic interference. The unfortunate thing about that is it will affect all ranges. And we also have signal interference from other devices at the same time. We have too many gadgets functioning in the same range. The solution would be to just change frequency, or at least that would be one of the solutions. I want to ask you if many of you actually remember the time of CD players. At the very beginning, we used to have the same issue. Our music would skip. Now, while the solution wouldn't work for phone calls and video games on your devices, it might work for listening to movies and music. Introducing anti-skip into headsets when we've already had this technology shouldn't be too much of a problem. And moving away from the 2.4 gigahertz spectrum for our headsets into a set of frequencies that would actually be less crowded would solve all the real-time stuff. So the question isn't, how can we solve it? It's why haven't we chosen to solve this issue when the technology has existed in the past? What do you think is going on with technology right now? You can write it down below. Now, if you want to like this episode, like it, dislike it if you didn't, share with those that you think can benefit from this. And don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions, comments, suggestions for topics, email me at ask@tqaweekly.com or go to my website, tqaweekly.com, where you can see the show notes on this episode, past others, find other ways of subscribing, and use the contact form to email me directly. You can also comment down below. And of course, if you want to see me play video games, head over to twitch.tv/zaccess1981, where I play every Friday, Saturday, and Sunday from 7 to 9 p.m. Eastern. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.